One of my favourite 3D printing accessories is these 0.4mm drill bits. You do have to be extremely careful with these, however. They snap unbelievably easy. Before I start a print, I just take one of these drill bits and I drill out the nozzle on my hot end before I start a print. I can't describe how good these are. I can't even remember the last time I had a clogged nozzle. I highly recommend them, and they only cost a couple bucks a pack. All you need to do is look on eBay for 0.4mm drill bits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.